with SMS boasting a 98% open rate, compared to only 20% for emails. You might be thinking, SMS is the go-to communication channel now, right? Great question. Here's the thing. Switching between your CRM and a separate SMS platform can be a hassle. Then there's the added challenge of maintaining and updating data across both systems. Recognizing these pain points, we've made it seamless with Text SMS for Dynamics. It's an SMS integration for Dynamics 365 CRM that lets you two-way SMS messaging directly from your CRM, instant notifications for incoming messages, set up and send automated SMS campaigns, add emojis and images to make your messages stand out, store and track conversation history seamlessly, create custom records right from the SMS window, and much more. That too without any swivel chairing. So why limit your communication options? With Text SMS for Dynamics, you can fully leverage SMS communication. Start your 15-day free trial today by downloading Text SMS for Dynamics from iNogic.com or Microsoft AppSource. Let's get texting.